Hello, I'm Farouk, your accountant, and today I'm going to talk you through the key responsibilities of a company director or incorporator, as outlined by the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, or CIPC, in South Africa. 1. Fiduciary duties and good governance. As a company director, you have a legal duty to always act in the best interests of the company. This includes avoiding conflicts of interest, exercising independent judgment, and acting with care, skill, and diligence. These are fiduciary responsibilities that are not just ethical but legally enforceable. 2. Producing annual financial statements. One of your key obligations is to ensure that the company prepares its annual financial statements within 6 months of the end of its financial year. These statements should fairly present the financial position of the company and must comply with the applicable financial reporting standards, such as IFRS or IFRS for SMEs. 3. Filing annual returns. You are required to file the company's annual returns with the CIPC within 30 business days after the anniversary of the company's incorporation. This confirms that the company is still in business and ensures that its records remain active and up to date on the CIPC database. 4. Filing beneficial ownership information. In accordance with the latest CIPC regulations, you must also disclose the company's beneficial ownership information. This refers to the natural persons who ultimately own or control the company, whether directly or indirectly. Filing. This information is now mandatory and must be updated whenever there is a change in beneficial ownership, as well as during the annual return submission. 5. Keeping company records. It is your duty to maintain accurate and up-to-date company records, including the register of directors, securities register, minutes of board meetings, and resolutions. These must be available for inspection at the company's registered office. 6. Compliance with the Companies Act. Finally, as a director or incorporator, you must ensure that the company remains compliant with all provisions of the Companies Act, number 71 of 2008, as amended. This includes compliance with tax obligations, employment laws, and any sector-specific regulations. Failure to fulfill these responsibilities can lead to penalties, deregistration of the company, or even personal liability in certain circumstances. Stay informed, stay compliant, and lead your company with integrity. Thank you for listening. And before I leave business owners, ever thought about how starting a company is like having a baby? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to drop some truth bombs. Registering a company isn't just paperwork, it's a whole new life you're bringing into the world. The CIPC, our corporate guardians, sends out this massive 7-page document. It's like the ultimate parenting guide, but for your business. Now don't freak out. Just like you wouldn't wing it with a newborn, you shouldn't wing it with your company. Get familiar with those requirements. Be the responsible corporate citizen your business deserves. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, it's okay to ask for help. Bring in a professional, like hiring a nanny, but for your business, baby. Trust me, your future self will thank you.